Goody morning. Good morning. I think about that. How many times have I said good morning live on YouTube now? Over 1,000 times, probably more. It's pretty crazy to think about. What's crazy to think about is I spend more time here on the live stream with you guys than I spend pretty much with anyone. It's kind of a weird thing. I've met some of you, but I've never met most of you. And we spend so much time together every day. We're like pen pals. You know me, but I don't know you. So it's weird. It's weird. Just thinking about all the people out there watching me right now. Who are you? Where'd you come from? Worldwide, baby. Worldwide, baby. Oh man. All right. Nasdaq, we're getting it going here. Nasdaq. What's funny is, guess what? The Nasdaq did exactly what I said it would do yesterday, talking about it during Power Hour. The idea of what? Well, the Nasdaq gapping up here this morning, and well, we got about 100 and I guess like almost like a 200 point gap up here. Fuck, 188,360. It's like a 180 point gap up. You gotta love it. It's just too easy sometimes. Too easy sometimes here. All right, we're getting ready. We're early. Market hasn't even opened yet here, and we are live on YouTube. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. Help me help you. I help you, you help me. I don't ask for much. Just a little bit of love, just a little bit of love. Tell me you love me. Tell me you love me, chat. Tell me. Just tell me you love me, man. You see Rips talking about a big game, making 7 figures in his brand new Apex accounts yesterday. Wait, did he really? I'm confused. You said he made the money, but then he blew the money. Which one was it? Did he make the 6 figures or did he lose it? You are getting weight, bro. What's that mean? What are you talking about? Mike. Hey, thanks, Mike. I saw your post or your comment on one of the videos recently, Mike J. Always great to see people finding success in a world of craziness, right? So congrats to Mike J. One thing that I do, like I've said before, at the end of the day, right, people will kind of credit other external reasons to why they find success trading, but the truth is, it's you guys, right? The traders themselves are the ones who really have to figure it out. You've got to press the button, right? You've got to make the decision that you want to be profitable. Nobody else can do it for you. There is no course, there is no YouTuber, there is nothing. There's nothing out there in the entire world that's going to make you profitable if you simply just can't do it yourself, really. So just putting that out there. Little motivation of the day. I look back at all of the all of the times where I stumbled or I fumbled trading. And it wasn't because of my strategy. It wasn't because of my knowledge. It was just simply the emotion, the ego, the greed. Maybe it's the human brain. A lot of people don't really talk about it a lot, but maybe I don't even know enough about it to talk about it. But, I think the human brain is wired to basically self-sabotage, right? The human brain wants us to be safe, right? Your brain wants you to be safe. So when you enter a trade, instantly your brain is already like fighting against you what you need to do. Because in your brain's telling you, Patrick, get out, get out, get out. And it's quite the interesting paradigm, you know, quite an interesting paradigm. I don't know if that's the right word, but as humans, I think humans are very prone to self-sabotage, right? And it's not just trading, it's life in general, it's business, it's friendships, it's health, it's wealth, it's everything. Our brains are very, very powerful. So you've got to make that choice. You know, do you want to let your brain stop you from being successful, or do you want to battle the beast within? The beast within. That's right. Everybody's got a little bit of beast in them. Right now, looking here at the Nasdaq, we got a gap up overnight. We got NVIDIA earnings. NVIDIA earnings came out. Look at this candle. A 300-point candle there. I think it was on the 1-minute chart. It was a 300-point candle. Yeah, look at that. Anybody buy the dip? Anybody buy the dip? 21,054 up to 21,320. You gotta love that. You gotta love that, don't you? So going into open right now, we know that we had NVIDIA earnings. We gapped up, but boy, oh boy. I don't know about you guys, but this is looking a bit like a bear flag right now once again. These bear flags have really been paying off. So just being patient. It's Thursday. We got the whole NVIDIA earnings happened yesterday, so we'll see if we get a good directional move today. Either way, I don't really care if it goes up. I don't care if it goes down. I'm not bearish. I'm not bullish. I'm just looking for an opportunity to get in and then to get out, right? I want to get in. I want to get out. So that's all we're looking for. We're just looking for somewhere on the chart that makes sense, that gives us some type of statistical advantage. You know, trading a bull flag, trading a bear flag. We're not trying to predict where the market's going to go. We're just looking for somewhere to place a trade that we can have a slight edge. You know, we just need to be 55, 60% better edge than flipping a coin. If you're just going to flip a coin, you might as well go to Vegas and play roulette. Might be the better option. So we've got what is that? Yesterday's Tuesday. We got yesterday's high up there, 21,000, obviously 21,400 level on the ES, on the Nasdaq, sorry. On the Nasdaq here, we got the VWAP down there, 267. 267. Besides the whole act that's going on, you're actually pretty smart. Well, I didn't become a millionaire by being dumb. At least I would like to believe that. Maybe I did get lucky. I don't know. I feel like I put in a lot of work and a lot of effort and I had some type of vision, some type of brain power to get to where I'm at. But maybe it was just a lot of luck. But I think there's a little bit of luck. Everyone's got a little bit of luck, right? Everyone gets lucky every once in a while. The problem is a lot of people just don't know when to capitalize off that luck, right? A lot of people are stuck in whatever situation they're in, and when they do get an opportunity to be lucky, they're not able to capitalize off of it. So I think for me, I've been very focused on just being ready for anything, you know, any opportunity in life, I'm ready for it, able to capitalize, make some money. And here we are. You know, I started a YouTube channel to talk about day trading when I didn't even know how to day trade. That's the best part. Like, I literally started a YouTube channel making videos while having no actual idea how to trade. Gotta love that. You gotta love that. You know, that right there is a stat in itself. I still laugh at the fact that my ex-girlfriend's parents and everybody that told me, like, Patrick, why would anybody watch you? Why would anyone watch your videos about day trading? I'm like, well, I don't know. Maybe I'll be funny. Maybe I'll make people laugh, you know? I think there's a lot of people out there that are good at trading, but they got terrible personalities. They're just, you know, they're introverted people, which might be a good thing for them, right? You know, it helps with them. It helps with their trading because they're introverted. They have, maybe they don't have a huge ego, all that. So it definitely helps, I think, some people, but it does not help on YouTube. And it's funny because I see a lot of people that, you know, they get upset because they're like, why would you watch videos of Patrick Wieland? He sucks at trading. I'm so much better. But it's like, maybe you're better in your own mind, but maybe you're not better, you know? Maybe people choose to go where they find the best entertainment and knowledge and community. Maybe it's not just about being the best trader on the internet. Maybe it's not. Maybe there's more to it, you know? This is my favorite this morning. Somebody commenting, this dude had no losing days and some of you believed this nonsense. And I'm like, you're making a good point. I like what you're going with it, but yes, we believe it because it's literally fucking real. Like, you know, like people believe that ICT is good at trading, but ICT has never shown any proof that he's good at trading. I showed the actual proof that I went 30 days green in these Tradeify accounts and people still can't believe it. People will believe that Danny Trades made $300,000 this year with no proof. But if I actually post real proof, I actually show it, they still don't believe it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, man. You know, it's like, oh, I can't believe, how can anyone believe this nonsense? How can anyone believe it? I don't know. Maybe because it's real? you know, like maybe because it's real? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe because like people believe it because it's actually real. Like there's like, it's real. So whatever. Right now, Nasdaq pulling back, VWAP right now, 350 down here to this 270 level. Will we get continued sell-off here today? Is the NVIDIA earnings enough to send the market higher, or do we make a break below this 21,000 area next? We've been consolidating here overnight, very similar to the last few nights. Overnight, kind of just pushing up, and then at open, just getting absolutely murdered. So we'll see. Also, big news: Japan, they're gonna go extinct. That's right. In Japan, they're not having enough babies. I have an offer. I have an offer for Japan. Japan, if you're watching right now, I have an offer for you. I will sell you 1,000 sperm. It's unvaccinated, 100% pure sperm for $1 million. No problem. I got you. I can put in a little thing and send it to you. No problem. Japan, if you're listening, I can solve your birth rate issues. Daddy, BDH will come to the rescue. The BDH is going to come to the rescue of Japan. That's right. So yeah, they said Japan's birth rate hits a historic low. They've experienced a massive demographic shift with the birth rate dropping to a record low of 720,000 people, marking the 9th consecutive year of decline. With Tokyo's rate being even lower, this is also dealing with the country's death rate, resulting in a substantial natural decrease in population. Damn, Junior. I'm going to go to Japan and I'm going to save them. I got you guys. I'm gonna become the fucking king of Japan. What if I go to Japan? Think about this. You know, Victoria, if you're watching, I apologize, but this is not for my benefit. This is for the sake of mankind. I'll go to Japan. I have 10,000 kids. Fuck, we gotta do more than that. We gotta get 100,000, like 200,000. Fuck, that'd be a lot of kids. Imagine 200,000 Patrick Wieland babies. Bunch of ginger Japanese. That'd be one goofy, that would be some goofy looking babies. This big old head. Japanese Wielands. Japanese Wielands. Japanese. I'm serious though. Maybe not about the babies, but I can help out. If you need any help, Japan, you know where to find me. I got you. No problem. Oh man. What a time to be alive. The world is where the humans are going extinct. Man, that's crazy. I saw a whole thing about, at the end of the day, you know, there's a belief that humans are not supposed to save Earth, right? The goal for us is not to save Earth, but the goal for us in the future is to leave Earth, to set sail, to travel the universe, the cosmos. There's got to be another planet out there that has life on it. There's got to be. There's no way that there's a million fucking trillion billion planets, or however many planets there are, that there's not one other planet out there that's got some goofy looking fucking person. Like, what do aliens look like? We gotta, we need to find, this all has to be, we gotta figure this out, people. I cannot continue trading and doing what I'm doing without understanding what these aliens look like. Are they sexy? Are they goofy? Are they a blob? Do they look like us? Do they have tails? Are they taller? Are they fatter? How does it work? How does it work? Don't let me leave, Murph. Tradeify, I'm leaving. I'm going to the cosmos. All right, here's a question, chat. Here's a question. A real question. If you have the opportunity to get into a spaceship and travel 1,000,000 light years away, would you do it? Would you? I wonder. I want to see what the majority of the chat says. You get to go on a spaceship, put to sleep, and then you travel 1,000,000 light years away to a possible planet, but you don't know for sure. You don't know for sure if the planet is habitable. All you know is that you're going to get into this spaceship, you're going to fall asleep, and then you're going to wake up or possibly die. Possibly die while sleeping. That's an interesting topic as well. If you're suspended animation and you die, did you really die? Or did you die? At what point did you die? See, does anybody else have these problems? Do you wake up in the morning wondering these things? I wonder these things. Like, if I'm suspended animation and I'm frozen, but I die, did I already die? Like, do you die when you get suspended? How does it work? Wow. Wow. The majority of the chat saying no, they don't want to go to another planet. What's up? What's wrong with you people? What's wrong with you people? What's wrong with you people? I'm just kidding. Honestly though, what's wrong with you? What is wrong with you people? How could you? Why? Why? All right, here's the next question. I got another question. Chat, we're getting deep today before the market opens. All right, here's a good one. Let's ask this one. I'm gonna put the poll out. Would you sleep for hire? All right, here's a good one. All right, if you had the option to go to sleep for 100 years and then wake up in the future, would you? No Latinas in space. No, I'm bringing the big booty Latinas with me. If I'm going to another planet, I'm bringing big booty Latinas. Big booty Latinas, one Canadian, a bunch of Russians, maybe some, what else we got? That's pretty much it. Big booty Latinas, one Canadian, and a bunch of 6 foot tall blonde Russians. Wow. The chat right now, you guys are not about it. No one's trying to do anything here. People ain't trying to go to sleep for 100 years. I think I would maybe do it. Maybe, I guess not. I don't know. Could I? No. What if I could wake up like every year and just like have a little party and then go back to sleep? That'd be kind of cool. See what's going on and then just go back to sleep. Like, what if you could wake up and then decide if you want to stay awake? Like, you wake up and you're like, let me see, are there flying cars yet? Nope, no flying cars. I'm good. I'm going to pass. I'm going to sleep for another year. You know, that could be a way to look at it, right? Like, you're kind of like, oh, I'm going to, you know, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wake up when their flying cars exist, and then that's when I'm going to live. But until that moment, just keep putting me back to sleep. Okay, here's another question. All right, I got another question. We're getting deep today, boys and girls. We're waiting for the Nasdaq to open up here right now. Kind of holding up there at the VWAP. We've got this 400 level there from yesterday. What's funny is look at the ES. The ES right now, preemptively already kind of pulling back here. So the ES and the Nasdaq are not going the same way. What does that mean? ES is below the VWAP. Nasdaq's above the VWAP. Berg trades. There won't be none of that stuff. There's got to be a new heaven and earth. This world will come to pass. Why are you being so morbid, bro? Why are you being? I mean, we're trying to be like, you know, like happy, and he's over there talking about the world's gonna end. And come on, man, like let's be a little bit more positive, you know. Let's be a little bit more excited for the future. Not be like, oh my God, the world's gonna end. We're all gonna die. Oh God. I'm serious. At some point, I got to start a comedy show. I'm gonna be a retired YouTuber, day trader turned comedian. That'll be my shtick. Everyone's like, damn, how did this guy's life go down the hill? I'm like, well, at one point I was a millionaire, and then I became a comedian, and now I just live in the gutter and do comedy shows every once in a while. Burke's happy about the end of the world perspective. I guess, you know, if you got to be happy about something, be happy about it. You know, the old saying, you know, if you're going to be happy, you might as well be happy. That's the way I look at it. I also wonder, do people watch this live stream and think like, damn, this guy is fucking crazy. What's he even talking about right now? He just said that if you want to be happy, you just got to be happy. Oh man, people got no idea. I play 3D chess, 2D, 1D chess. I'm playing 1D chess. I'm so far ahead of the curve. People don't even know. They're confused, but they're also intrigued. They hate me, but they also love me. They see my face and they want to punch it, but they also want to kiss it. You know, it's a weird thing. It's a weird situation to be in. Like, imagine being a man, right? Being a man and then like seeing my face and being like, God, I want to punch it. But also deep down in the back of their head, they're like, maybe after I punch it, I'm going to kiss him. You know, it's a weird thing. It's just a weird thing, man. Like I said the other day, I guarantee, I would bet, well, no, 100%, I would bet that I don't have one hater on this entire planet, I got a lot of them, trust me. I don't have one hater on this entire planet that would not trade bank accounts. Think about that. Like, I guarantee that. There's not one fucking loser on this planet that talks shit about me that would not trade bank accounts. So, who's really losing here, you know? The guy who's sitting on the internet talking about me hating? Or the guy, no, they all be losing. I even saw our good friend. I have proof that ICT fucking loves me. I think he wakes up in the morning just thinking about me, just excited to love me. Look, now this is what I love about him too, is he's gonna post on Twitter and be like, guys, see, this is what I wanted to see out of him. Guys, it was me, ICT. I made Patrick this way. I made him do this. I made him become a better trader. You know, I made him. That's what I love. I love people try to take credit. People be like, yeah, man, the only reason Patrick is making money now is because of me. Oh, Rips. Oh, Rips. That face. Hey, I know that face. It happens. That moment where you get into a trade and it goes the exact opposite and you're like, God damn it. That's the worst. Rips, when are you gonna come to the BDH? I'm not trolling. Somebody posted that. I didn't post it. Somebody else posted it on Twitter. It sucks. That's the worst feeling. Have you talked to Nutty Bar lately? Every day I talk to Nutty Bar. I call him every morning when I wake up. And I just wish him a good day. I said, dear Nutty Bar, today I want you to have a good day. My little Nutty Bar. What's funny is I think he's actually older than me. He's got more kids than me, which is hard to believe. No, I honestly really like Nutty Bar. I think he's a good guy. I've hung out with him in person now, and it's funny because he really he's got nothing bad to say about anybody. He seems like a very genuine, good guy. So I'm happy that we were able to squash whatever little bullshit we had going on, and I'm looking forward to meeting Rips. I think if me and Rips can just meet each other, maybe we can become friends. I think we've got an arch enemy. We have a mutual enemy, we got a mutual enemy, so we can be friends. People that have mutual enemies can be friends, even when they're not. What do I think about Dodgy? I mean, to be honest, I think he's dumb as a bag of rocks, but more power to him. The fact that he can make $100,000 a month selling a Discord membership while trading micros, I mean, that's very impressive. I got to give him props to that. So maybe he is smarter than I think. But every time I've talked to him in real life, he's not that smart. He's a great guy, great kid. Nothing against him, honestly. I really got nothing against him, but he don't seem very smart. I mean, he trades ICT, so it just proves. Wait, Dung Do cheated on me? Somebody found Dung Do? Derek said micros are the easy way to learn. Yeah, Derek, micros are great if you don't make $100,000 a month selling a Discord teaching people how to trade. Yeah, no, that's when it's not great. If you're gonna have a Discord making $100,000 a month off of your Discord, then maybe step up, put your big boy pants on, trade fucking full size. Wait, you guys actually found Dung Do? For real? No way. What the fuck? Bro. the fuck? I never muted him. I swear. Dungdu, come home. Dungdu, come home. You're not muted, I promise. Send me an email. I miss you. Come back to daddy. Come back to daddy. Dungdu, come back to daddy. Please. I miss you. That's fucking weird. Why'd he go somewhere else? You think he was mad because I didn't want to pay him like a full-time wage to sit in my chat all day? He wanted $5,000 a month to be in the chat. I was like, bro, you're crazy. I'm just kidding. He never wanted that. But maybe that's why you maybe that's why you left. I don't know. Parsley, BDH. Good morning, Habibi. Habibi, come to Dubai. I guess so many people are like, Patrick, you should move to Dubai. Guys, I would be in jail so quickly in Dubai. Like, I couldn't go to Dubai. Like, imagine me in Dubai. It would not be good. They would arrest me instantly. They'd be like, nope, not this guy. Get the fuck out. You're going to jail. You talk way too much. You say way too much shit. I can't go live somewhere where like the government's gonna fucking take me down, you know? I'm just too much of a personality. I have been to Dubai and Abu Dhabi before, back in the day before I was a YouTuber. The two fatties that I had on the stream were the best. I mean, the funny part about when Max was here, I think the whole entire time we just sat here making fun of how fat he was. That's fucked up. Like, I made $500 that day on the donations. The whole entire time the chat was just talking about how fat he was. I think that was such a, I don't know if that was a very educational stream at all. I don't think we even traded. I think I traded. I beat him obviously, but yeah, the chat was really hard that day. You guys were ruthless, man. You got to make him fucking cry. Nah, I think they like it. You know, they got to own it. They just kind of own it. Like, hey, we get it. We're fat. I get it. You know, me personally, I can't handle that. My emotions, I'm like, if somebody calls me fat, I'm just gonna, I'll go cry. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I'll go cry. Like that. It wouldn't work. Can't do it. Don't do it. All right, we are getting closer and closer to open right now, waiting to see what happens here. Nasdaq right now holding up, holding. We got a pivot point right here, 380 pivot point, 380 pivot point, 380 pivot point. VWAP down there. We got any news today? What do we got for news? Got any news today? Checking out the onlyprofirms.com news calendar. We had a bunch of 8:30 news actually. Wow, we had a lot of 8:30 news. We didn't get much of a move here. I guess we did get a bit of a move. About a 100-point move there actually. I forgot. It's so funny because I feel like a 100-point move in the Nasdaq is just like normal now. It's like a normal thing. We've got a Fed speaker at 9:15. We've got Fed Chairman Barr speaking at 10 o'clock. We've got pending home sales at 10 o'clock as well. We've got some more Fed speakers throughout the day. But yeah, other than that, we're here. We're doing it. I still can't believe that Japan is going to go extinct. That's crazy. I mean, I kind of like, I'm not gonna lie, like it might be pretty cool to like go to Japan, you know, one day and like just walk around the ruins of Japan. I don't know how long it's gonna take for Japan to go extinct, But like, how many people need to be born every year for Japan to not go extinct? Japan, what are you talking about? Have you not seen the news? Japan, they're going extinct. No, it's real, like dinosaurs. I swear to God. I'm not even trolling right now. It's actual facts. Yes, Japan is going extinct. They don't have enough babies. If you ain't got enough babies, you know what happens? You go extinct. Japan's going extinct and India is just fucking popping off right now. India is gonna take over the world. They've got so many fucking people. Oh my God. In the future, we're all just gonna fucking be controlled by India. AI wife? No way. That's a real thing in Japan? The AI wife? I don't believe it. I need this app. What is this? What? How do I get this app? AI wife Japan. Dude, it's real. AI wife. How did I not know about this whole time? I could have been married. Look at that. There's my wife. This guy's in Japan. There's his wife. Look at his wife. He's home. Welcome home. I love and see her as a real woman. Oh, it was raining today. Were you okay? Oh, he's never had sex, clearly. This is crazy.
Characters are hugely popular in Japan, and now so are the holographic characters created by companies like Gatebox.
This is crazy. Look at that. It's like a little thing in a bauble. What in the fuck is going on here?
Marry a hologram using a certificate issued by Gatebox.
He married a hologram. Bro, I can't. Someone needs to kill this guy. Don't kill him. Sorry, take that back. Take that back. I don't want to kill him. Someone needs to put this guy out of business. This guy is selling holographic women. There's got to be something wrong somewhere in some type of, there's got to be a law. He's breaking a law. He is breaking a law. There's got to be some type of law that he's breaking. You can't be selling holographic women. We need to report him to the UN. Someone's got to figure this out. Trump's got to solve this. Steven's got a holographic wife, but he turned her off. Does it take your children and half your money it didn't earn? Yes. Your holographic wife is gonna get alimony if you break up with her. Oh man. You just never know what you're gonna wake up to, you know? Every day it's a new day. You know, every day when you wake up, you just never know what's gonna happen. Today, look at that. We have learned about Japan going extinct. But at least we know one thing. Gulf of America, baby, 2025. Yeah, I'm going on vacation to the Gulf of America, maybe. I'm gonna go look. I've never seen the Gulf of America, but I'm gonna go see it. Well, I've seen the Gulf of Mexico, but now that it's called Gulf of America, I gotta go put my feet in it. Well, I mean, I'm not gonna lie. About 10 years ago, I had an idea, right? Long before Uber. Well, maybe Uber was around, but long before AI was the thing. I was like, guys, what if we create robots, and then the robots go in the Uber, they come to your house, and then they get back in the Uber and they go home. I'm just saying, that could be a business. That could be a business. That could be a business. I'm not condoning it, but what I'm saying is that could be a business. Stripper bots. Oh man. It could be a business. I'm just saying. You know? It could be. That's my next business. The BDH is going to have robots. Robots. For any use that you need. I got a lot of ideas this morning. I don't know what it is. I think it was that I drank another energy drink this morning. I went to the gym this morning, did leg day, a little bit of squat, you know, a little bit of action. And then I get to listen to all the people on the internet tell me that I'm bad at working out every day. I always love it. That's my favorite. My favorite part about being an influencer is just being able to post stuff and then getting everyone to react to it. There's nothing better. Oh God, look at that. He didn't go deep enough. What a loser. What a fucking loser. Oh, not even deep enough. Oh, Patrick, what are you? Oh, you suck. Go deeper. The best part is my Twitter account right now is private and I'm getting more interaction on my account than people who have 100,000 followers. Oh, I mean, I think that's pretty deep. If I go any deeper, I'm going to blow my fucking back out. So the men in Japan would rather screw robots more than their own women. That's what it sounds like. Because the robots are not having babies. That's why the birth rate's down. I don't think they've figured out yet how to make robot babies. That could be a thing. Our next genius idea of the day. Robot babies, humanoids. The fuck? Gene Hackman passed away, 95 years old. Very weird. Wife and dog also died. But no foul play. That seems like a little bit of foul play. How the dog and the wife die. I don't know. I mean, obviously he was old, but how does that? Police say early reports do not suggest foul play. I mean, maybe carbon monoxide poisoning? Maybe. He was only 95. What happened? Oh, David, let's read his message. Send me to Japan. I'll impregnate all the hottest since their men want to fuck their hands and imagine India ruling the world. Poo-poo everywhere. David, you really set me up there, didn't you? You really set me up for that one. Thanks for that. Thanks, David. David really set me up, didn't you? Yep, clearly. Read my thing, Patrick. Okay, let me read it. And then nope. Nope. Thanks, David. Thanks for that. Thanks, David. I don't know why the alert box is not working. Why is it not? Something's not right. Something is not working. It doesn't work. Why is it not showing up? I don't get it. It's just not, it doesn't show up for some reason. saying Rob's gonna go to Japan and double the population by himself. You fucking freaky, you freaky motherfucker. All right, we got 3 minutes here till market opens. Y'all know what time it is. Time for the brokies to be quiet. Where'd you get that hat? At a local bait and tackle shop here in South Florida. Until market open. 2 minutes. Let's do it big today, boys. Let's go big. Big, big, big. Big, 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 big. Big, 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 big. All right, market getting ready to open. I'm gonna be very just kind of, I'm gonna be patient today, to be honest. I'm just gonna sit back here. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna watch. No real rush. And just wait for the right opportunities. Not jumping in on the first fucking move of the day. That's right. Here we go. Got that 380 area resistance with that pivot point there. 30 seconds till market opens. All right, market is open. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. I'm gonna go to the bathroom really quick. That's gonna stop me from even trading this right now. Give me a way I can't trade the first minute. Ha ha. All right, perfect. See, well, I want to make it very clear, like being able to get up and go to the bathroom at the market open, that right there, it might not seem like a lot. I know. You're like, why did you just do that? But that right there, like that's like a massive discipline, like acknowledging, right? Like I'm literally like, hey, I'm fine. I can get up and go to the bathroom right when the market opened because I don't give a fuck. I'm going to be patient either way. So like that right there is, again, I just want to reiterate, like that actually, like it means something, right? Because when I first started trading, I couldn't stop myself. Like I would be here like this. I'd be like, okay, oh my God, short. Oh my God, it's going up long. You know, like I would fucking be so like scatterbrained and it would not work. So I know, again, like I'm not trying to like toot my own horn, but it actually like being able to do what I just did, that is like growth. Honestly, that is growth as a trader. Like I feel like accomplished, like I accomplished something. All right, Nasdaq up there to the 370s. We got 380 pivot point. After that, we've got the high of day yesterday. That Monday low right here at the 60s. $350 area. Market's still not really moving. ES is kind of forming a little bit of a base right there at the VWAP for now. Good time to be patient. We know there's a good move coming, right? Like we know there's going to be a really good move that's going to happen. So I don't need to do anything. I don't need to trade. My Fun in Future is coming through with the number A. Damn, look at that. Say that I'm not the #1 day trader. I dare you. Say it. Say it. I bet you can't. I bet you can't say it. Ha ha ha. All right, Nasdaq, that 380 area, pivot point there. Will we tap into it? We get above that pivot point and then push up there to the over to the previous day high would be kind of what I would see going on here, right? In theory. In theory. You got the ES right there at the VWAP. ES is trying to hold up at the VWAP. ES, if the ES can get above 6,000s, well then Nasdaq probably push up here, but as of right now, ES is stuck there. NQ stuck here as well. We need some type of some kind of breakout here to get us excited. Right? Right. Exactly. Listen to me, people. Listen to me. ES is holding up there at the VWAP again, 6,000s. Nasdaq just stuck here, going nowhere quickly. Let it do its thing here. John Wick, BDH Kingpin, watch out. Everybody bow down to the king. There can only be one. Well, I'm the warlord. I'm the top dog. The top dog. All right, Nasdaq. Make up your mind here. Do something. All right, the ES is pushing up there through the 6,000s now. Nasdaq right here at this 350 area. We hold this 350 area, go to the 400s next, I think. Look at the push there. Look at the push. Look at the push. Look at the push. Look at the push, push, push. See that push? You see how it's pushing right now? Well, who would have thought? Up there, that pivot point, and then 410 next being the high from yesterday. You can see now what I was talking about. ES is ripping up here through the 6,000s. Nasdaq is following. There's a reason that I'm looking at the ES and the Nasdaq at the same time. If I see the ES holding up there, the VWAP trying to break out, we got a pivot point in the ES at the 14s next. So ES is still pushing 6,005 right now. Nasdaq also right there at that 80. If we get through that 80s, it should be a quick push up. There we go, breaking 80s now. Do we get that just straight boner candle to the upside here? 30, it's 937. ES is still pushing. Nasdaq just stuck there at the pivot. Pulling back to the 350s again. Be a good day for that 15-minute range. Good day for the 15-minute range. Bruce is calling out the 424s. Nasdaq again back down there to the 350s. You got the VWAP on the Nasdaq down there at 292s. Back to the 21 EMA here on the 2-minute chart. Kind of looking like if we start to sell down here, back to the VWAP pretty quickly now. That 350 area, key level here for the bears, the bulls. Will anybody step in? Will anybody step in? Not looking good. They got to hold this. I feel like this is like just like yesterday's chop at the open. Down there through the 330s, 320s now. Down to the VWAP. Still got 6 minutes here. Why do I say the 350 area is an important level? Well, I mean, look at the low of those candles. Right, like 340, 350 area. Look at it now down there to the VWAP. So we got stuck there at the 80s and pulled right down there. Like I said, that little kind of a bear flag 350 area, the low, right? This candle is 342. So I guess 340 area would have been maybe the better area, but I think this kind of right in the middle there, 350, that line in the sand, right? That's why I would say that. And then there's that breakdown, so. Oh, funded future networks coming through. Maybe a little big deal happening here. It's got a text message. Look at, we got all the prop firms coming up in here right now. Everybody try to get on this. That BDH, try to get some of that BDH love. Oh my God, Nasdaq just going straight down here through the VWAP now. We've got that 217 level, and then the gap fill puts us down there to the 188s. Woo! God damn it, I'm rich today, boys. This is the best. I'm living the best. I got the best life. I don't even gotta make money. People just come here and just give me money. They just come here and just give me money, man. It's a great world to live in. Great world to live in here. All right, Nasdaq just straight fucking down here. Straight down. If you guys want to learn more about Funded Futures Network, they've got I think they've got a BOGO deal. You buy one, get one free right now. Buy one, get one free. Use the code PW. Get the best deals. Look at this thing. Fucking A. Straight down there to the pivot point now. Well, that 350 area played out, huh? What a move. Holy shit. What a move. Still going. Just straight down here now. All right. Well, we're going to have a big old 15-minute opening range now. Holy shit. I don't know. we're going to fill the gap, I guess. 189s. Well, oh. Holy guacamole. Are you kidding me right now? Is this real life? Is this, I can't, oh my. The best part is that I covered a short for a 20-point winner. God, I suck. Oh God. I'm terrible at trading, man. I'm terrible at it. I can't even believe that. I'm dying laughing right now. That's all you can do. You just got to laugh about it, honestly. That's all you can do. Like, you can't even, I don't even know. You just got to laugh. Like, it's fucking hilarious. Like, my life is literally a joke. What a joke. I literally have a joke life. How does that happen? Oh, man. You gotta love it. Well, you can see there, shorted for the break below the 40s on this candle here. Covered there. I suck. I really suck. I'm bad. Still 20 accounts, $1,300 there, but fucking it. Look at it. It's still just going. That's something. Gotta love it. Well, we filled the gap. Gaps love to get filled. Now what happens? After this, we've got the previous day low down there, the 21,050 area. We do have our opening range now, 15-minute opening range here. We got a pivot point right there at the 215s. We'll see if we build out a bit of a bear flag down here. Now that we filled the gap. Oh, man. That hurts. That really hurts. That's gonna sting for a long time. Living the grumpy life. Again, big thank you to Living the Grumpy Life. He built this. And sent it to me. So I'm gonna put this on the wall. Pretty cool. Thanks for that. I got some, I got some really fucking cool fucking YouTube subscribers out there, man. Some good people, just good people. But yeah, big thank you to Living the Grumpy Life. This is just like a hard spot to get short at on this 15-minute range break. So we got to be patient. If we keep free falling, 21,000 down there next pivot point, 21,024 level would be your next pivot point down there. It's not in reverse. It's the camera. The camera's in reverse. Sorry. Is this going to be a big old trap, or are we going to just continue lower here? The $1 million question now. Seems like that 230 area is kind of that line in the sand. If we get back above that 230 area, we could rip back up there to the VWAP. So right now, again, dipping straight down here. Just hard to get short down here because this could just be a big old boner candle straight back up. We just want to be careful. That's a big old opening range break. Big old opening range. Big old opening range here. Well, I think we go lower. This is my right. Is it my right? This is my left. Is it I don't know. Is it reversed? This is my right. This is my left. How does it look on your guys' side? What? It's the opposite. I know. I gotta figure out a better way to do this. Because this is right. Right? This is my right. This is my left. That's the right one, right? No? This is also wrong? This camera? Left hand. Right hand. But you can read the Gulf of America on this camera. Right?
Well, I know you're looking at it.
Well, don't look at the camera on the look at the computer screen.
That way it looks like I'm looking at you.
Okay. All right, we got Nostradamus himself, Basim, calling out the 21,055 level. All right, you little crazy fucker. You crazy little fucker. Let's see how she goes. Yesterday, Basim, he was here on the stream in the morning. He said that we were going to see the biggest short ever in history yesterday. It was pretty big. I don't know about history, but pretty big short yesterday. Look into my eyes. Oh, this is not good music to be playing right now, actually. Fuck. Who put this on? Who put that song on? Who put that song on there? All right, we're still going lower. We broke the 15-minute opening range here. Can we take it downtown to the previous low yesterday, 21,050 area. You got a bunch of lows here overnight as well, 21,106 area. So I do have to agree. I think that 21,050 area down there is just primed and ready. You can see on the ES has not filled the gap all the way yet. So the ES still has some more pain, some more time, some more room to the downside there on the ES. Right now, the ES is there at that pivot point, that 980 pivot point on the ES. And the Nasdaq right here at the lows. We do have some 10 o'clock news, by the way. We got 10 o'clock news here. See, the ES is kind of holding up there for now. Nasdaq still looking weak, but maybe some more, maybe a little push back up to test that 200 level again. Maybe, I don't know. Well, or just go lower as well. Making new lows right there, but kind of right away pushing back up off that 140 level. Seems like there's a little bit of dips are getting bought here, but could still crater much lower here. That 21,050 area. Oh. She is just going straight down right now. Straight fucking down. Can we see the previous day low? Look at the ES now filling the gap all the way. ES has filled the gap. Nasdaq down there to the 21,100s now. Will she just push on through there? 21,050. It's there. It's waiting. Good Lord, good Lord, good Lord. She's still, oh, there's 21,000 break. Oh my God, chat. Oh my Lord. Am I going to be rich today or am I going to be fucking rich today? Oh my God. Daddy, help me. Daddy, help. Daddy, help. Can it go lower? Can it go all the way 21,050s? I want 100 points here. I want 100 points here. I want 100. I ain't there yet. I want 100. I want 100. I want 100 points. Oh my fucking Jesus. Down there to the 50s now. We're tapping in. Tap in, chat. Tap in, chat. Tap in. Oh! Oh, we're up 110 points. Tap in, chat. Might get stopped out here on my last runner. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna fucking take it, boys. I'm gonna take it. Oh my Hey. Hey. I made too much money today. I made too much money today. Oh Lord. Look at that. We tapped right into that 21,050 area, which was, well, right there. The NVIDIA earnings. PW code is not working in MFF? What the fuck? Oh, it works. I'm going to call him right now. It better be working. It better be working. Oh my God. I'm too rich now. I'm too fucking rich. I can't do it anymore. I'm too rich. It's time to I'm time to retire. I want to retire, everybody. Let me ask the Magic 8 Ball here. Magic 8 Ball, is Patrick Wieland? Magic 8 Ball, is Patrick Wieland the best trader on the internet? Let me see. Dude, this Magic 8 Ball is broken. Every time I ask it a fucking question, you know what it says? At this time, I don't know. At this time. What does that even mean? What does that even mean? That's some real bullshit. Real fucking bullshit right there. Well, the Nasdaq continuing to go lower. Are you kidding me? Baby Jesus. I'll take my 100 points though. I'll take my 100 points. All right, I'm gonna try it one more time. Magic 8 Ball. Am I the best trader to ever do it? It just says, it's stuck. It did, oh, I can't even show you because it moves it. All right, it says, looks like, I can't, fuck. Now it says absolutely. How do I get to, I can't show you guys on the stream, but it literally says absolutely. See? See? It's backwards, but that says absolutely. We'll try it on this other one. I'm not gonna move it right now.
I see it. Yeah.
Try on this one. Focus. The Magic 8 Ball has spoken. The Magic 8 Ball has spoken. I don't know if I should be sad or if I should be happy. It just keeps going lower. 21,000 and getting touched. God. How do you feel, chat? Like, what do you guys, how do you guys feel after that? You know, like, how do you feel after locking in? I don't even know how much money, but let me do the math here. 1,700 times 20, $34,000, and I'm still not happy. I got problems. I got problems. I got problems. I got problems. I gotta work on myself. I gotta work on myself. On this trade right here, I just took it in one of the PA accounts because if I was like, if I'm gonna go hero, I'm gonna go 0 hero. If I lose one PA account, not a big deal. So I went 5 contracts in one of these. That's a $6,000 profit. But I went 5 contracts and then just started basically covering into this dip. That was right there, 50 points. I mean, when the market's moving, man, it's moving. You know, when the market, put that on a fucking bumper sticker. When the market's moving, it's moving. I don't know who sounds more retarded, me or Danny Trades. What's your strategy? Numbers. Patrick Wieland. Patrick Wieland, what do you think about the market? Well, you know, when the market's moving, it's moving, man. The largest short ever is still going, boys. Is anybody still short right now? Is anybody still short right now? Anybody? Who is still short right now? You're a fucking legend. It's still going. It is just going. Oh my God. It's the end of the world. The market is literally collapsing. It's not collapsing, by the way. 10 o'clock news. Man. Hey, you know what the best part is? Do I need to remind you? Do I need to remind you right now? Do I need to remind you? Is there anybody in the chat that needs to be reminded about the best part? What's the best part? Anybody? I can't hear you. What is the best part about this? What is the best part about this? What is the best part about it? Well, I don't know. The 15-minute opening range. Are you kidding me? Look at the 15-minute opening range right now. Could it have been any better? I'm not even trying to toot my own horn right here, but I mean, look at it. Just look at it. Oh my God. It's just going lower. That's crazy right now. It's crazy. What did I tell you yesterday? After the NVIDIA earnings, we're going to get some better moves Thursday, Friday here. Look at it. I think we're getting the better moves. Holy guacamole, baby. I mean, I don't want to toot my own horn here, people, but I can't even fit it all on the chart. But like we said this morning, before this big dump, 350 area, we broke that bear flag, and bam. I mean, if you're not impressed, I don't know what to tell you. Honestly, at this point. If you're not impressed, I don't know what to fucking tell you. It's pretty fucking impressive. Go ahead and put it on the board. Put it on the board, chat. That was insanity, to be honest. That was just absolute insanity. All right, if you didn't make a bunch of money already, then it might be a good time to just walk away. You know, if you didn't make a lot of money this morning and you're sitting here right now with FOMO, probably a good idea to just walk away, honestly. You know, I mean, might be a good plan. So I wish I could just walk away right now. Wish I could just walk away. Let's see how the brokies did. Brokies in the chat. We only got 700 likes on this stream, by the way. 700 right now. How do we not have 1,000 likes? Get on the like button, people. Who made money this morning? Get your votes in. Who made money? We gotta get, come on, we need 1,000 likes on this, people. I can't keep doing this for free. I need the likes. Who made money? Who made money? 78% of the 5,000 people watching made money with us. They made money with us. They made money with us. Let's go! BDH, baby! Woo! Woo! I mean, After that, I don't really see any reason to continue trading, to be honest. You know, I'm like, well, what's the point? Not really any point, to be honest, you know? Don't need to trade no more. Don't need to trade no more. You know, don't need to trade no more after that. That 15-minute range, just like I said before the market opened. Get ready for it, you know? Just get fucking ready for it, boys. Well, that's what we did. We got ready for it. Happy, happy. Happy, happy, happy. I love trading. I love trading when you're green, you know? Nothing better than being green. When you're red, trading sucks. Any Apex codes? Yeah, PW gets you the best codes. Well, gets you the best deals always. PW. That move was just absolutely insane. Absolutely insane, man. I don't know if it's done yet, to be honest. I don't know if, is it done? Like, are we, like, is this the bottom of the day? I don't know. We got a pivot point down there, 20,866s. Chester Trades. Patrick, how much are you up? I'm up $34,000 on the day. $34,000 on the day. Not bad. Not bad for a redneck. A redneck who never went to college. They told you, they tell you when you're a kid, you got to go to college. You got to go. You got to go to college. You just got to. And I'm like, why? What am I going to go to college for? Little did they know I was going to be richer than every fucking college professor in the history of colleges. Little did they know that I make more money than 99% of people that go to college. Is that a weird stat? I think so. It's weird. It's weird. God. I would honestly probably make $1 million a year from trading if I just only traded the 15-minute opening range and nothing else. Lewis, we don't want to see your trading view. We want to see your actual chart. Okay, Lewis, I'll put you in the VIP room and you can look at my chart all you want. You think he's gonna be mad? You think Lewis is gonna be upset when he goes to the VIP room and finds out there's nothing in there? Hey, when is the Apex news you talked about coming out? I think next month, big Apex news. Crooklyn said he took profit too early. It happens, my friend. 350 short. Oh my Lord, yeah, I know. I would hate to be you right now. At least I didn't, hey, at least I didn't short at 350 and cover. Wait, I did, never mind. Damn it. They got me. Oh, by the way, Funded Futures Network. Today, Funded Futures Network is on sale, or they got a BOGO going on. So if you're interested, check them out. There's a link there in the chat for Funded Futures Network. Is the Apex news positive? I think it is. I think it's going to be really good for traders. They're going to have more options. Wait, no, I can't say it. Let's just say they're going to have more options for traders. More account options. Some of the things that you guys really hate about Apex, well, there might be an account option for you. I don't want to say too much, but let's just say whatever you hate about Apex, they might have a solution. Apex bans good traders. Guys. Let me explain something really quickly. There is not one prop firm on this planet that wants good traders. I know it sounds weird, but like they don't. You know, now I heard that Top Step, they are gonna make it so that when you go into a live account, you can't transfer all of your XFA profits, only one XFA. So well, yeah. I mean, the way I look at it too is like, hey, if you're a really good trader and you make lots of money, then maybe don't trade on a prop firm. You know, that might be like your solution, if that makes sense. I know that sounds weird for me to say that, but I'm just being honest. Patrick, what's your favorite prop firm? I mean, I don't know if I have a favorite. I think they all have their good and their bad, right? Take Profit Trader, very quick payouts, but they got a trailing drawdown. Apex, 20 accounts, but they have a trailing drawdown. Tradeify, no trailing drawdown, but the consistency rule really sucks sometimes. The 20% consistency, because you're pretty much like on a day like today, you don't want to make all that money on, you know, like on a day like today, because all it does is just makes it harder. So Urban Trades. I want to break something down for Urban Trades really quickly. Urban Trades just said, if prop firms have good traders, that they get 10% of their profits. Let's think about it like this. Let's say you have, I don't know, let's say you have 100 good traders, right? And on average, 100 of those traders, they make, I don't know, look at Dakota. Dakota makes like, you know, $5,000 on a good day, whatever it is. So all of those traders, like if you take 10% of their profits when they get a payout, it's probably less than, I don't know, like it would definitely be less than $1 million a month, like 100%, maybe even less, maybe like $200,000, $100,000. Like, so imagine Top Step cannot stay open with $200,000 a month because they're making, you know, I don't know exactly, obviously it's just from what I know, but what I don't know, on a good month, Top Step's making, you know, $10 million from resets and evals. So just think about it like that. Why don't you do the growth accounts on Tradeify? Well, because I've already done the straight to funded accounts. No reason to me to change it up. I'm done. I can't make any more money really with Tradeify here until I get put into a live account. I'll request a payout on Saturday, or I think, yeah, Saturday I'll request a payout, and then I'll probably get moved into a live funded account. So that's why I like the straight to funded accounts. Just go straight to funding, get your little payouts. You don't need big profits. My biggest profit out of that whole entire run was $16,000 in one day. And then after that, it was kind of just trying to do the consistency rule. So why use prop firms? Well, I don't want to tell you, but I'll tell you. It's kind of top secret, but basically what happens is the prop firms pay me millions of dollars. So then I trade on the prop firms on YouTube. And then, yeah, no, that's why. That's why. I mean, like I said yesterday, Michael Jordan made billions of dollars selling shoes, and everybody thinks he's the GOAT. So why can't I be the GOAT? You know, why can't I be the GOAT for selling billions of dollars in prop firm accounts? That's how I look at it. Oh man, I love Twitter. Twitter's a funny place. Twitter. It's all good. Goddamn landscapers are here. Who the fuck had the landscapers coming to the BDH at 10 a.m.? What the fuck? Ginger. That was Ginger's fault. Damn it, Ginger. What an insane day right now, right? We had this huge move down. We have a 200-point rip back up. I mean, this, guys, welcome to fucking Trump's America, baby. This is it. This is what you get, you know? It sounds crazy, but I mean, this is literally it. This is the holy grail of trading. This is the holy grail of trading, man. Right here, right now. Patrick, can you explain end of trade drawdown? Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. With Funded Futures Network, they've got that set up where you basically, it's similar to a trailing drawdown, but how it works is the drawdown doesn't move until you close the trade, right? So let's say you make $1,000, like, right? Like you buy, and then it goes up $1,000 and you take profit. Well, your drawdown goes up $1,000 once you close the trade. And then let's say you enter the next trade and you go down $1,000, but then you come back up and you only lock in $200. Well, your drawdown now goes up $200. So just think about it, trailing. It's like a trailing drawdown, but the drawdown doesn't like calculate until you close the trade. And so you're on the BDH, you're on the Only Prop Firms website, and you don't know where the fucking close are. Oh, I got you, baby. If y'all want to get some of that new, yeah, it's realized profit, I guess is the best way to put it. Sorry. We got some new apparel in the BDH, baby. I think this is my favorite one right here. It's like, it's low key, but it's also like, what does that say? You know, does that say big dick house? I don't know. I think it's a thing, you know? Big dick house. All right, Nasdaq right back up there to the 21 EMA again. We got this trend line that the LuxAlgo indicator put on there. And we've got the gap fill up there, 183s. Should we do some Brett Simba type shit here? We'll put the Fibonacci's on there. The Fibonacci's. So yeah, kind of like into this area, right? Was kind of, if you're a Fibonacci trader, you'd be looking for like a push back up into here for a retrace and then that move down. I don't really trade Fibonacci's, but I think that's how it would be Yeah, 618 being your short target or your entry. Somebody asked, have I ever been denied big payouts? No, I haven't. And it's not, I'm not trying to like toot my own horn, but I think it's because my name. It might be because of my name. So it definitely helps to be Patrick Wieland. You know, it helps. Does the trailing drawdown go away once you pass the buffer zone on Take Profit Trader? Yes, it does. Hi, Patrick. The consistency rule on Tradeify is the same as Apex consistency rule. No. All right, Nasdaq ripping back up here now. It's just crazy. These candles, man, they are just getting a lot of volatility, a lot of movement here. So that Fibonacci 618 level is right there at the 95s. If you're a Fibonacci trader, that's where they're looking to get short at. The ES was bouncing there off the 936s. That pivot point down there on the ES. So the ES found that pivot point. Look at that reversal off of that 936 level on the ES. Look at the ES. It's back in the green right now. And the Nasdaq's also trying to get back in the green. What in the fuck? This is wild. Love the sound of the leaf blower. I know. Hey, we're a business, you know, it happens. Stuff happens. All right, we are now pushing into the 15-minute range here. Holy shit. This is quite the reversal right now. What a time to be alive. Everybody that's shorted right here, you know, everybody tried to get short right there. You know that. Like, you know that, right? You know what I mean? Like, people, like, you know that. You know that there's a bunch of traders out there that try to short right here. And I know why they did it too, because there's a fair value gap. There's a bunch of fair value gaps, but all those ICT traders. I want to see it. Yeah, this would have been, they inverted this one. They inverted this one. Oh, the man, the myth, the legend rips here. How's that 20 account trading, Rips? It's wild, huh? Nothing like going YOLO on 20 accounts gets the fucking blood pumping. I wonder what the good question is. What makes the blood pump more? Going all in on a big pot in poker or going all in on 20 accounts? That's the question. That's what I want to know. Is, you know, when you're going all in on a big poker hand, because I feel like with poker, you probably, you know, you got a pretty good idea like what your odds are to win that pot. Compared to like the Nasdaq, who the fuck knows what's gonna happen next? You know? You never know, you know, like it's funny. I really look forward to me and Rips talking about the similarities between poker and trading, because people always are like, man, trading's gambling. I'm like, well, people say poker's gambling, but there's a reason that the same guys are always at the, you know, the final table in those tournaments. Is it because they're lucky? Or is it because they have a skill and they know the statistics, right? I don't really play a lot of poker, but I watched a movie, Molly's Game. I watched a movie one time about Molly's Game. I know everything about poker now. Pay the man his money. No, honestly, I think as a poker lover, where would you say the best poker movie is? Rounders has to be up there, right? That is a badass movie. It's a cool movie. Yeah, I think Rounders. Yeah, I know. With the worm and everything, that's just like, I don't know. I guess like nothing really exists like that. Maybe it does. Maybe Rips knows about the underground poker world, but I feel like nowadays with technology and everything, you just can't. There's nothing left. There's nothing underground anymore. It's another really good movie. If you've never watched a movie, I think it's called The Color of Money, right? Is that what it's called? Yeah, The Color of Money. It's a good one, man. It's a really good movie with Tom Cruise. These guys go around hustling, playing pool. It's funny because it's obviously a movie, but there's a lot of really good lessons in the movie as well. So if you're bored and you want to watch a movie that Patrick Wieland recommends, check out Tom Cruise in The Color of Money. It's a good one. Paul Newman? Yeah. It's a good one, man. It's just, it's good. The Games. Werewolves of Thunder. All right, Nasdaq back up here, 120 area, right below our 15-minute opening range. I wanted to show you something here. Check this out. See how the ES has already gotten back above the VWAP. If I was a betting man, and I might be, if I was a betting man, I'd say there's a very high chance that the Nasdaq wants to get back above the VWAP here. But again, I'm not sure enough to take a trade. How about that's a good way to put it? Like I feel like it's a very good possibility, but I'm not sure enough to take a trade. So just to put that out there for anybody who's watching. We got so many fair value gaps on this chart. So Danger, what did you do when you had a problem with your Tradeify account? I just contacted Tradeify. Oh shit. I just got a follower request on Twitter from Rips. Oh man, it's happening. Are we friends now? Are we fucking friends now? Are we friends now? Are we fucking friends now? Man. Oh man. I think this happened. This is like fucking stepbrother.
I know we started out as fun, but after that courageous act that you showed me against the one they call Derek, maybe someday we could become friends. Friends who ride majestic, translucent steeds, shooting flaming arrows across the bridge of Hemdale.
I would follow you into the mists of Avalon, if that's what you mean.
Do you want to see something super cool that only 3 people have ever seen in their lifetimes? Okay, open your eyes.
Whoa.
See that black smudge right there on the blade?
Yeah?
Look at it closely. Pretty recognizable signature.
No.
Randy Jackson from America.
Why do you have Randy Jackson's autograph on a martial arts weapon?
Because I bumped into him and all I had on me was this samurai sword, and you're not gonna not get Randy Jackson's autograph, right?
I would have done the exact same thing.
And from us to build bunk beds, you're adults. You can do what you want.
So...
I'm not making myself clear. I don't give a fuck. Now, you both have several interviews tomorrow. I would think you'd be focused on that and not building bunk beds.
So... We can? No?
Yes. Yes.
Sweet.
You can make them.
I knew it.
Okay, you guys are not gonna regret this. We're gonna get so much more activities done.
This is the funnest night ever.
This is so scary.
That's gonna be us. Me and Rips. We're gonna build a bunk bed at the BDH. Right here. Right here at the BDH, baby. All right, Nasdaq. Well, we pushed up there into that fair value gap on the 5-minute chart, pull it right back down now. Uh-oh. See, like, I don't even, I'm like looking at the chart right now and I'm like, I don't even care. I don't even care what it does. I don't even care what the Nasdaq does, honestly. You know? I don't even care. Like, the Nasdaq can just do whatever it's going to do, and I don't even care at this point. Like, could I trade and maybe make more money here? But yeah, but like, why? You know, like, why? What is it going to do for me? Nothing. So I'm okay with it. I'm just stay out of it. Stay out of it, baby. Please care. No, I don't want to care. I made my money. We locked it in. You know, so what, you know, why should I have any type of emotion? You know, why should I have like emotion here to FOMO or take more trades? You know, that's like the secret here. If you want to lose money, I can guarantee I'll show you how to lose money. Just keep trading. You know, just keep trading and you'll find a way to lose it. You know, if you trade long enough every day, you will find a way to lose all your profits. It's very easy. I'm not trying to like just talk shit, but it's 100% very easy to do that. So I'm looking at my profits right now and I'm like, hey, do I need to trade more? Could I make more money? Maybe I could, but at what cost? You know, is it worth it? Probably not. So I think that's a good time just to walk away. I could stay here on YouTube and try to milk some more affiliate money, though. I could do that. Use the code PW. Buy the course. Do everything. Do everything. But yeah, I think me and Rips are best friends now. I'm excited. This is what I love about the internet, right? People never thought. People were like, people told me, I even told Brett Simba, I was like, Brett, I think Rip's gonna come to the BDH. And he's like, there's no way. There's no way. And I'm like, I don't know, man. I think we can do it. We can make it happen. You know, I got a couple cars. You know, we can do a little drift in action. Gary BB, so you're using us. Well, it's not that I use you, Gary. It's just that you're going to buy prop firm accounts no matter what. You know, so you might as well use the code PW to help out the guy that helps you out. You know, that's the way I look at it. So do you mainly place trades and look at trades on the 1 minute chart? No. This is a 2 minute chart. If you bought the course, you would know. I don't know. I feel like it's a pretty good partnership we got going here, guys. I might just be talking, my own ego up, but I feel like it's a pretty good partnership, right? Very simple partnership. I bring entertainment. I bring a show. I bring action. I bring fun. I bring guests. I do giveaways. And all I ask is that you hit the like button. And then when you buy a prop firm account, use the code PW. I think that's not much of a request. I don't think I'm really like being too much of an asshole here. Do you offer one-on-ones? I do not offer one-on-ones. The reason that I do not offer one-on-ones, I know this might sound very conceited and like I have a major ego, but my time is worth way more than whatever you could pay me for a one-on-one. And I know that's like, you're like, what? I'll pay you $1,000. I'm like, still not worth it. For me to spend an hour talking to you, it just wouldn't be worth it. And it wouldn't be worth it for you either. There's nothing that I can tell you in an hour that's going to be like, that's going to change your destiny, like it's just the truth. So anytime you see a day trading influencer or anybody selling one-on-one coaching, run away. I can sit here all day long and sell fucking $1,000 one-on-one mentorships, but I don't, because again, it ain't worth my time. So that's the way I look at it, basically. And I don't know if that's just me being, too cool or what, but that's just the way. I'm just being honest with you guys. It's not worth my time. Honestly, it's not. You can see the short right here at the 62s covering ding, 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 ding. That's I think that's like 100 points for the last runner. We got all the way down there to the 20,900s. And this is the 1 minute chart, but I want to show you on the 2 minute chart, that 60 area, why we got short there. So so much shit on the chart sometimes. Just getting rid of everything on the chart here. You can see once I got a terrible fill there, but once we broke through the 15-minute opening range, here's our 15-minute opening range. This is what I teach every day, basically, here live on YouTube. You can buy the course for $199 if you want a little extra learning. Don't buy it. I don't really give a fuck either way. Don't cry to me about like, Patrick, I bought your $200 course and I don't understand. I thought you were gonna make me rich. Patrick, I paid $200 for your course and it's worthless. I'm like, well, motherfuckers be going out to goddamn Ruby Tuesdays, paying $80 for a steak dinner, thinking that they're, like they're getting a good deal. And then when they come over here and buy a fucking $200 course, they're like, Patrick, this is a scam. I went to fucking Outback last night. I had a bloomin' onion, I had 2 steaks, and I had fucking cheesecake with my fat ass wife, and it was only $150. Your course is more expensive than than Outback. Like it's a joke. It's a goddamn joke. It's a joke, No, but again, 15-minute opening range. Your first, people, this is like the most confusing thing. People are like, Patrick, how do I find the 15-minute opening range? I get this question literally every day. And I say, well, what we're going to do is the market opens at 9:30, right? It opens at 9:30 every day, unless it's a holiday, but most days 9:30, sometimes a little earlier, sometimes a little, but most time 9:30 the market opens. And then at 9:45, what do you think happens? If it's 9:30, 9:45, that's 15 minutes. So if I look at it like, okay, here's the 15-minute candle. Okay. Well, there's the low. Okay. That must be the 15-minute opening range. It just must be. I don't know for sure, but it must be. So, well, if I look now, once we break to the downside there's our break to the downside. And just again, to clear it up, we can see how we kind of dipped right below the 21 EMA there. Not 21, but the 15-minute opening range. And then guess what? We then get kind of denied, and then we start going right back down. So that's why I got short where I got short, because, well, like I said, looking for that move downtown. And the best part is I could have made a lot more money, like a lot more, like a lot more, like $1 million more, like a lot, but I didn't. But it's okay because we're green. Who created the 15-minute range? I don't know. Somebody fucking like 300 years ago in China, Japan. Nobody created the 15-minute opening range. It's just a thing, you know, like no one created it. It just every day it happens. Every fucking day, the 15-minute, you know, like every day. Like every day it happens. So there you go. And with that, I'm going to have to leave you guys. I got some stuff I got to do today, actually. I got to go drive the Porsche to get some work done to it. And then I got to pick up my Lambo. And then I got to drop off some parts for the GT500. Basically, my entire life is just, it's just me basically just taking care of my cars. Just driving around, getting cars worked on and fixed and all that stuff. So that's it. We done. I'm out of here. I mean, what else do you want me to do? We made money. You can go buy some BDH shirts, you know, if you want to get crazy. You want to get crazy? So, the fuck is this? I went and played Top Golf last night with my girlfriend's brother-in-law and sister. And I don't know if you guys know, but I'm pretty fucking competitive. And to be honest, I really don't play golf that often. But you know, you give me a goal, and I'm gonna go for it. And my ball speed, you know, ball speed, baby. That was the competition. Who can have the highest ball speed? Who can have the highest ball speed? It don't matter about accuracy, but whose ball speed? Whose ball speed is the fastest? What do you guys think? What do you think my ball speed is on a driver? What do you guys shoot? What do you guys shoot? I'm interested. What is the BDH? The BDH is a big dick house. 260? Now you're just being crazy. I don't know if you guys are like being serious or not. Do you guys actually play golf? Are you guys like, are you serious right now? On a driver, what the ball speed is? I think most people, when they hit a driver, like most men are over 200, aren't they? Jonathan got 157. Really? Am I that good? Holy shit. Let me see. I want to see what the average ball speed is now. I'm going to go on Google and type this in. I might be a freak of nature. Holy shit. Bro, I'm a freak of nature. I am a freak of nature. I'm not trying to even like toot my own horn right now, but the average ball speed for a PGA Tour golf player using a driver is around 171 miles an hour. Last night, I was hitting 230, 232, 232 miles an hour was my ball speed last night. Hitting it into the back over, I mean, maxing out at Top Stop at Top Golf. That's impressive. That's actually, I'm impressed. I swear to God I did it. I swear. I got it on you. I got it. No, I don't have it. I swear to God, 232 miles an hour. I swear to God. No, it's not 232 yards. I'm telling you, it was the ball speed. 232 is a world record? No way. $246 is the ball. Dude, I might be a world record holder. I think I can get it higher. Oh, man. It was not kilometers. It was at Topgolf in Pompano. I mean, I promise you, I'm not even lying. Why would I lie about this? That's crazy. I swear to God, I did 230 and then I did 232 was my ball speed at the end. Highly unlikely that the Topgolf radars are accurate. I mean, it did it multiple times. Pretty much every single one of my drives are 220 or higher. Yeah, I'm going to Topgolf right now to find out. I gotta find out because I swear to God. I swear to God. I'm not even lying. I wish I was lying, but I'm not. I'm gonna be a world record ball speeder. I don't even know how to play golf, but my ball speed's world record. Why y'all laugh? Why's everybody trolling me right now? Why can't you just let me have this? Let me have it. Let me have something, you know? I want one thing in my life. Just give me one thing, man. Show proof. Fuck, I didn't got proof. Fuck. Here, wait, let me see.
You're right, Martin.
I swear to God.
Let me answer it now.
Hey,
Hello.
what was my ball speed yesterday at Top Golf?
What was Patrick's ball speed?
33.
133.
Are you fucking kidding? I'm on the YouTube right now, and why would you say that? It was 230. What are you talking about?
It was 230. No, yeah. 230. Sorry, 230. Sorry, mine was one something. Yours was 230.
Fuck! I literally call you to clear this up, and now the whole chat is literally like, you fucking moron.
No, it was 230. Sorry.
You know the world record ball speed is 246? That's the world record.
Shit. Yeah, you were close. The world record ball speed is 246. So you were.
I can be a fucking world record holder.
Yeah, yours was 233.
I swear to God, it was 230. Now the chat thinks I'm lying. We gotta go. We're going to Topgolf. We're going to Topgolf.
It was 233 because mine was 127. So.
All right. Well, I'm going to Topgolf tonight, and we're gonna do it again.
All right.
Do it live. All right. Bye. God damn it.
I was just like, man,
I swear to God. I'm gonna do it. I'm going back to Topgolf. These motherfuckers.
I'll record.
Yeah, Ginger's gonna come record it. All right, I'm gonna have the Guinness World Records come there, and they're gonna do it. 133. God damn it. 133. Why would she do that to me? Really fucked me. God. All right, well, we got to go to Topgolf now and prove it to the world. So, fucking A. Nasdaq just right here, just kind of sitting there now. The ES is back up above the gap or the close from yesterday. ES is trying to like hold up in this level right here. We'll see what happens. I can't believe it. I can't believe I just, oh my God. What is she? Oh God. 133. I could hit 133 with my eyes closed. There's no, wait, are the top, I gotta search this. Our Topgolf speed, ball speed, accuracy. All right, is Topgolf ball speed? Dude, it literally says that it's, people on the internet has said, that it's within, it's within. The best is, this is the best. This is the best. These motherfuckers be like, holy shit, I could be a world record. I'm not even lying right now. This guy, he says that at Topgolf, the ball speed is actually 4% lower. So I swear to God, I could be a world record holder. The Topgolf balls are obviously terrible, and the driver's terrible. So I think I could do it. I think I could really break the world record. I'm not even lying. Imagine, I'm serious. I'm gonna go do it. VW driving 230 miles an hour with the Porsche. Balls at Topgolf are off by like 10 miles an hour. So I would literally break the record then. I would break the record. Because I hit 230, so if it's off by 10 miles an hour, that means I'd be at 242. Did you hit it over the... No, you can't hit it over the net. That'd be really hard. Patrick, you can't hit over 200. It's not impossible. What? This is really hurting me right now. I'm going back to... But the thing is, like, it did it yesterday. So what? Today is not going to do it. And the thing is, I've been at Topgolf before, right? I have been there before, and I have been hitting in the 220s. So it wasn't just like a one-day thing. I got to figure this out. I need somebody who's local in Pompano to be a judge and to come be a, judge. How about distance? I don't know. It hits the fucking back net. It can't go any further. There's a net there. If it went any further, it couldn't. Dude, I got an insane core. People don't even understand. My core. Whee! Look at this. I'll do it right now. All right, we're gonna tee off here. This is my real golf club. Right into the Porsche. Just kidding. You gotta stretch first. You gotta stretch before hitting it. All right, I'm gonna do it live on YouTube now. Right. Nope. Ain't gonna work. Oh, fuck. See? This is how good I am at golf. How good am I at golf? I went to fucking the golf shop and I walked in and they said, Patrick, what are you looking for? I said, I want the fucking best. So what they do? got the tailor-mades. Ooh! 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 The funny part is, like, look at my ball pattern on there. A little on the out. I mean, there's some good ones right there. A lot of this, a lot over here, though. Not the best? What are you talking about? These are the best. They're not the best. Tailor-made irons. What y'all talking about? Callaway. I mean, what's wrong with TaylorMade? Why y'all trying to be? It don't matter what it don't matter what I have, because you'll never be happy. Nobody will ever be happy. That's the problem with you people. I'm gonna start the Porsche up. I'm gonna rev the engine so everybody can hear how cool I am. See y'all later. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go drive my Porsche to pick up my Lambo and then drop off my parts for my GT500 and then drive the Lambo back here and then pick up my Porsche later and then maybe pick up my other Lambo because I'm so rich. It's a hard life I live. Every day I gotta figure out what fucking Lambo to drive. What?
Chipotle in the Lambo.
Yeah, Chipotle in a Lambo. Mama didn't raise no bitch. The best is when I go to Chipotle, people at Chipotle ask me, what car do you drive today? What car are you driving today? I am literally famous at Chipotle. People don't even understand. I am on a whole nother level. Chipotle! These are my parts for my other car, so don't worry about those. Problem is the Porsche don't rev. It don't like to rev when you're in fucking neutral. Blocks it off. Fucking Porsches. Piece of shits. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Fresh Cash Friday. Make sure you be here. Later.